live in southwest Florida, where the well water has an extremely high sulfur content. What happens is sometimes when the water softener is regenerating, typically in the middle of the night, like 2 or 3 in the morning, there will be a demand for water. That can come in the form of using the restroom, washing clothes or dishes, or other reasons where the water gets turned on. When this occurs, unfiltered water directly from the ground gets introduced into the system. The same water that has the very high sulfur content and usually smells like rotten eggs. When you wake up in the morning, the cold water is fine, but you turn on the hot water and you have that smell. It's because all that water was introduced into the tank overnight. What you have to do is drain your tank. The process of draining the water heater is quite simple. You have to turn off the water as well as turn off the electricity and then just drain it. It's very important to make sure that the electricity is off because the element will continue to heat and it will burn up, and then that's another expense you don't need. So make sure that the power is also turned off before draining the tank. Next, connect a garden hose to the low point drain, which is at the bottom of the water heater, like this one right here. Once the garden hose is connected to the low point drain, stretch the hose out into the driveway or the front yard, or wherever you can, at a point that is lower than the bottom of the water heater to allow gravity to permit the water to drain freely. Next, open the hot water valves at several different locations around the house. This will allow air to flow into the system to allow it to drain out of the water tank. Otherwise, you have a vacuum. In my case, I use a large diameter faucet, which is in the tub, and then the kitchen sink and a bathroom sink. Water should now flow freely from the garden hose. Once the tank finishes draining, simply close the valve and slowly turn the water supply back on. As the water tank fills up, it will displace the air, and you might get a few sputters out of the open valves. Once it's all the way full, don't forget to shut them all off, and then turn the power back on.